Is there any need for me to speak again? He has said it all. Bros, you don't talk and finish. Any need, I should just walk away. Greatest obedient people. Greatest obedient people. Of the greatest, 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 of the greatest obedient people. Easy. It will say easy. People will steal election for the govern very well. You know easy. Wetin no day, no day. If you no be Panadol, you no fit be like Panadol. If you no be Peter Obi, you no fit be like Peter Obi. Their father. They say maybe they respect them. They say maybe we talk more. We can't do that. Because you know, the oppressors want you to be polite. The oppressors want you to be respectful. The oppressors want you to be nice. Your freedom cannot be won through being nice and being polite. We will say it as it is. And what is happening in this country is what exactly we will say. Yes, so Mr. Peter Obi is a nice man. You know, he does everything with decorum. You know, see those people say, but some of us get coconut here. We know they here. We not go agree for anybody. Sister, you dey here. That is it. Because this country belongs to every one of us. I will say something to every one of us. In 7 months, you all did what they have been doing for over 60 years, and yet you beat them to the game. Just listen again. In 7 months, you did what they've been scheming and doing for over 60 years. And you said it can be done without the violence, without the rigging, by just applying intelligence, creativity. You all stood and were united. They say to us that Nigerians can never be united. But on this matter, from the south to the north, to the east, to the west, we all came together. We all came together irrespective of our religion. Don't ever forget that. There is something called the perseverance test. I always say, even when you're doing business, you make losses. But you know the people who succeed? The people who, in spite of those losses, they keep going. Yes, they went out and they rigged. We are law-abiding. We work within the ambit of the law. We will never do anything against the law. And so, round one to them, they rigged it. Like you've heard the previous speakers, nobody will rig ever again in this country. We will stand for our votes. We will ensure that the judges, the justices, now I am speaking as a citizen of Nigeria. I am speaking as Aisha Yesufu. My house is not too far from DSS office. If they want me, they can get me. All those justices who decided they were the playthings of corrupt politicians, who put it in their face instead of them being the last resort of the common man. Should they said they want polling unit agents, every one of them, right? Guess what? Every one of us must be ready to be polling unit agents, and we will carry our results. We will put it in the vote. We will go to appeal court. We will go to Supreme Court. We will give them every one of those damn sheets that they say they want. Today, everybody is feeling it, right? They say the obedient people are the ones that will suffer. They say we will cry. Now they come the first cry before us. Anyway, when I know say me as I be talk too much, and I know say Dr. Mo, you know people in their 40s, they are too, you know body they hurt them. Those of us in our 50s, You know how we do it. Those of us in our 50s, we are calm. By the way, Dr. Mo, you still have 3 more years to go. Greatest obedient people.
Don't you just love her? Can we say, Aisha, we love you? Kenneth, we love you. Thank you. Come on, make some noise for this one.